Now, how do we speak about anything else this evening other than the thrilling West Indies win over Pakistan in the first test? And I want to use this moment to attack the temperament and technique of the West Indies top-order batsmen. We know they face the newer ball and the grassier pitches and the fresher bowlers and more attacking fields and all of that. But that is why they are specialist batsmen. But all things considered, the West Indies lower order batsmen in recent times, people like Jason Holder, Azari Joseph, and in this game, Kemar Roach, have all played better situational and level-headed cricket than the batsmen who get paid to bat. And this is too glaring a dynamic to ignore. It's not like the top order are consistently setting up these victories. Most of the time, the bowlers bowl us into good positions for the batsman them come do them thing. But far too often, the very same bowlers have to come and do the batsman them work for them. So for this victory, me have to say a special big up to Kemar Roach, who held his nerves to take home the bacon. I think for this game, Kemar Roach, in addition to getting his match fee, he should get half of Karen Powell and Kuma Bana, Kyle Mears, and Raston Chase match fee as well. And going forward, anytime the tail enders do the batsman them work for them forget half of the batsman them money. If I might say so myself, brilliant idea, Maverick.